Verifying your Grubhub account is an important step to ensure a smooth experience when ordering food or delivering. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app or website. Start by launching the Grubhub app on your mobile device or visiting the Grubhub website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you are logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find the verification section. In the Account Settings menu, look for section labeled Verification or Account Verification. Click on this option to proceed with the verification process. Step 4. Provide required information. Follow the prompts to provide any required information for verification. This may include confirming your email address, phone number, or providing identification documents, depending on Grubhub's current requirements. Step 5. Confirm verification. After submitting the necessary information, check your email or phone for a confirmation message from Grubhub. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your Grubhub account should be successfully verified. Enjoy your ordering experience.